Hi, Logan. My name is Joelle, and I just want to say thank you so much for reaching out to me. Basically, what I do is I help websites get to the top of Google through search engine optimization, and that includes helping develop and build the actual website itself. So there are three main components that go into search engine optimization, and that is the first one is your content, and that's everything on your website. So that means your front page, all your service pages, your service areas, what you do, how you do it. This is considered content. Even the pictures are considered your content. And there's certain ways of developing your site so that it is optimized. And part of that is how much wording you have basically on each page. In this first page, you generally want to have about 1,500 words because in those words, you're going to want to place specific search terms, or we call them keywords. Now, the keywords can also be within your title and what your pictures are saved as. You want to save your pictures as keywords that people will be searching, and then also the paragraphs of the content. So with your website, obviously you haven't really done much to it. That's okay. I can definitely help you with that. Actually, it would be an honor to help you with your website and to get it up to par. There's other things behind the scenes that are called meta descriptions and title tags, those kind of things. I'm sorry if I have the music playing in the background. It just got really loud all of a sudden. I apologize for that, but goodness gracious. Anyway, um, the content on your page, you can also add some service pages, kind of basically what you do. I saw within your Facebook that you offer engine building. That could be a service page, or vintage car restoration. There you would want to add content and also photos, images, preparation and racing, chassis dyno, whatever that is. It's amazing. You would want to add these as specific pages within your site. And so that when people are searching for these terms, they could find that page and also your site. So to go into the other aspects of search engine optimization, what I did is I took your website and put it into a tool that we use called Ahrefs. Basically, this shows us how web pages are ranking within Google. Gotta re-sign in. Apologize. Basically, this will tell me how you're ranking within Google, with what keywords, um, and that kind of thing. It looks as though at the moment there's no data, and I can see why. There isn't a lot of content on your website, and you don't have other pages as well. And basically, the other two portions of search engine optimization, or what goes into search engine optimization, is also referring domains and backlinks. So these three components right here help you rise in the ranks of Google and be found on that front page. So increasing these three components right here will increase the traffic to your site and also the monthly revenue. So referring domains represents other websites that have allowed you to put your URL on their page. So this will give power to what's called backlinks. And a backlink is a link, basically your URL, whether it is your home page or one of your service pages, that is a clickable link back to your site. So in essence, here, if I click here, it would take me back to your site, and that would be considered a backlink on this Ahrefs other domain. So just to give you an idea, of what it means to rise in the ranks of search engine results. I I Googled some of the things that you have listed here as your services. So I couldn't find anything under speed shop, but vintage car restoration. I looked up vintage car restoration in North Carolina, and these would be considered the search results. Okay. So what you're going to find here is the basically the map pack or the local listings. And when I actually Googled racing and restoration in North Carolina, which is what your website says, racing and restoration, you did come to the top of the Google search, but that doesn't mean that everyone is going to be typing in those exact words, racing and restoration, unless they know that that is your website. So here are some other types of keywords that you would want to implement within your website if this is what you are offering, so that you can be found on this page. So another one that I Googled was custom car build, because you also had that right here, custom car build. So I Googled custom car build in North Carolina, because I'm in California, and this is what I found. So as you can see, I'm not finding your website, and that's understandable because you don't have any content just yet. So another one that I Googled is car restoration shops in Kannapolis, because I believe that you are located in Kannapolis. So again, I'm not finding you in the search results. So just to give you a quick overview, what I did find in a lot of these search results is one called quartermilemuscle.com. And this guy seems to be everywhere. He's got a lot of content on his page, you can see, and he's got other service pages, parts for sale, cars for sale, about us, blog, contact us, even offers a page about employment. And these are some other pages considerations that you might want to have. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take his site and put it also in the tool that we use called Ahrefs. And you're going to see basically what it means to rank in Google. This shows you the strength of the domain and the popularity. Basically, he has 99 other websites where his URL, Quarter Mile Muscle, is listed. It could be a blog, a magazine, another web page. Well, they're all web pages, but an online magazine, those kind of things. Could be Yelp or Yellow Pages. But this is giving power to 728 different links back to his site. And he's also ranking for 945 different keywords. So let's just take a look at the keywords. Of course, he's got Quarter Mile Muscle, and he's ranking #1 for that. But classic car inspections, there's a search volume of 250 a month. Custom paint jobs, a search volume of 1,500 a month. Now, classic car restoration, 90 searches a month. Custom paint jobs on car, 250 searches a month. So as you can see, that is a lot of searches a month. Now, with your website, we would want to have local keywords listed so that people will find you locally. But that's just a quick overview of what I can do for your site. Can definitely help build it up, put in the content, add the images, build up your pages, and then I can also, help you to rank in Google and get to that first page. So thank you, Logan. I appreciate you so much for reaching out to me, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.